how does this change the ICC case? Earlier on our sister program, StoryCon, they were able to talk to Attorney Christina Conti, Assistant to Counsel Christina Conti. But in your opinion, how do you see this moving things forward? Or does it help the case in any way? Or does it open more avenues?
I think as far as the crimes against humanity case is concerned, the testimony of Colonel Garma completes the picture. So that will get them over any obstacle or any hindrance to the filing of a warrant. Now, the concern about whether this evidence would be needed to be transmitted to the ICC, remember, the ICC investigators are not amateurs. They can get all this information. And so these things don't need to be officially handed out to them. So they can get the information that they need.
So would it delay the warrant? I think last we heard you mentioned around November, it's about to come out based on new evidence that has come to light or new testimonies. Would this further delay it or make it faster, exacerbate it?
I think it's going to be the same because the application is just the application. Then it's going to be the pretrial chamber who will decide whether to grant that application. And that will take probably a month and a half.
Sen, what happens if they don't issue an arrest warrant? Because we like to talk about, a lot of people are talking about the ICC like their big brother who's going to come and fix things. But if you look at what's happening in Israel, I mean, the prosecutor, the same prosecutor who's looking at the Duterte drug war, Karim Khan, filed a resolution to have an arrest order out for Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu in May. And to this day, the pretrial chamber has not acted on it, despite the widespread destruction of Gaza. So on the other side of it, what if the ICC never comes? What then?
Okay, here's the thing. The ICC is not the only legal option to make these people accountable. We also have domestic cases, and I heard Asek Labano talking about those things. And once, or whichever comes first, if the arrest warrant from the domestic cases would come out first, then that closes the door on the ICC because of the complementarity rule.
Do you have enough faith in this administration that they will see through the investigation to the end if something is proven true?
We can choose to be cynical about life.
Or we can be positive.
Yeah. I'm a fatalist. I believe when the time is come, whether it's through the ICC or the DOJ. And let me qualify that. The domestic cases would focus on murder cases, not the crimes against humanity case in general. And we already have a law for that, the Republic Act 9851, which defined the crimes against humanity. But we'll have to wait for the DOJ, and it's going to be a very long process. I think the ICC already had a head start in that regard. So it's just a matter of weeks, hopefully.